Alright, welcome back. This is MJ Crypto, and in this video I'm going to actually show you in practical terms how you can start trading with TradeWill, which is TradeW. Right, it's an amazing broker that you can actually trade your indices, your forex, even your crypto pairs. You have everything on this platform. Now all you have to do is log on, download the app, log on to this amazing platform and start trading. Now, one of the beautiful things is that you're going to be getting 100% deposit bonus for every user. You can see it right here. This is not a fluke. This is real life, guys. This is real life. 100% deposit bonus. Now, the moment you make a deposit for any amount, you are actually entitled to claim your what? Your bonuses. Now, I'm just actually going to show you in clear details how you can actually get that. Now, see this deposit amount. Can you see this? Deposit now to get $200 cash back. Limited to one use. You can only use it once. Okay? Can you see this? So you see this is real life, and you can actually withdraw your earnings or your winnings back into Nigerian Naira. Okay, into your local domicile currency. You can withdraw into USDT, you can fund from USDT, you can fund from Naira. It works all round. This is one of the most amazing brokers I've ever, worked with so far. Amazing. And the withdrawals are swift and fast. You have no problems whatsoever. Now, to actually get this started, all you have to do right now is come right here to your Play Store. Just come right here to your Play Store and you see the app right here. Then you just download it. As simple as that. You just download it. Can you see? You just download it. As simple as that. After downloading, you log in to your details. Use the referral code you can see on the screen right now. Use this referral code because this code gives you access to more bonuses as time goes on, because I'm directly linked to them. So any bonuses that's actually coming through them passes through me and then gets through to you. All right, it could be campaign bonus, it could be trading bonus, it could be cashbacks. Make sure you use the code or the link you can actually see on your screen right now, guys. All right, so now let's go. The first things first, you want to see the market. You can trade your Bitcoin, you can trade your gold, Ethereum Classic, your BNB. Now, this doesn't just work like your normal broker, which you just trade your forex pairs. This works like you are actually trading on an exchange. For those of you who trade crypto, you should know what I'm talking about. So right here, we have our hot, we have forex pairs, major and minor, we have our crypto pairs. So if you are someone like me that trades a lot of crypto pairs, you can come here and do your thing. You can come here, do your thing. You can come here and just do your thing basically. We have our metals as well. We have gold, silver. We have indices, US 30, US, all of them. We have all of them here. Are you feeling me? US 100, US 30. Now, let's see what the US 30 pair looks like. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, you can also connect your MT5 or your MT4 directly to this platform. All right, directly to this platform and trade. The spread is okay. The spread is very, very efficient. It's very mature. That's why I like it. This is the US 30, massive uptrend. So for those of you who are actually very, very good at catching trades before they explode, you can come here and do your thing. So let's go to stocks. Um, Stocks, look at this. We have all of them: Brent crude, Nasdaq 100, and so on and so forth. Right? So basically, this is just how it works. My network is glitchy, sorry about that. So yeah, this should be it. So trade with TradeWill, amazing platform. Getting out. And by the way, we're starting a trading challenge very soon. So if you've actually not joined in, this is the best time for you to actually sign up an account and then start funding and start getting ready, because it's going to be a 50 to I think $400 in 3 weeks, and we're starting that anytime soon by God's grace this week. So see you in the next video.